So you want to do this. Take some pictures of your vehicle, or you and your vehicle. Go to your browser and type aistudio.google.com, link in the comments. Here we are. Try Nano Banana. Upload your photo. Pick the best one. And then type in your prompt. I've provided the prompt in the comments. Then let Nano Banana analyze your prompt and render the image. And it takes, or at least this one, took less than 20 seconds. Voila, there it is. Download your image. That's just truly impressive. Amazing results from Google's Nano Banana.